Good morning, this is Olga from La Bastilla. Could I speak with Carlos, please?
I apologize, Carlos isn't available at the moment. Can I take your message?
Okay, no problem. I will give me the message as soon as he is available.
Okay, thank you, bye. Good afternoon, Carlos calling. May I speak with Olga, please? Yeah, actually, I'm looking for a couple of books. What do you recommend me?